Okay, waiting for this to get out. Hello, everybody. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me in the Music Money Workshop. My name is Paddy, the Music Guru, and I'm super excited that you are here. And I just want to say thank you for joining me. All right. So let's dive straight into it. Let's dive straight into the workshop. No time to waste. All right, let's go. Now, I want you to grab a piece of paper and a pen immediately because there is no time. We're about to learn. And what I'm about to show you right now is oftentimes the difference between going viral, getting success from your music, making money from your music, getting paid from your music, and struggling to even get people to download your music for free. So this information is fire, right? So make sure you grab a piece of paper and a pen. I'm going to give you 5 seconds, all right? Five, four, three, two, one. All right. Now we want to look at how to promote your music worldwide, right? Not just Nigeria. How to promote your music across the world, how to get more fans, how to go viral, and how to make money from this music without a record label, even if nobody knows you. That is what we're going to talk about today. And every single thing I'm going to talk about today and show you, I'm going to back it up with proof because I will not just come here and give you case study or just give you theory. I will show you proof that other musicians like you are already doing these things so that you know that you too can do it. And I'm going to show you how you too can do it as well. Okay? So, another thing is I'm going to try to resist the urge to shalaye. If you don't know what that means, I'm going to try to resist the urge to talk too much and talk out of bound. So I'm going to go straight to the point, right? And this will be short, okay? All right. So now that you've gotten your pen and your paper, let's get to it, okay? Now, before we begin, I want you to have a mindset going forward. I want you to have this mindset. The music is a business. This music industry as a whole is a business. The music industry is divided into two. We have the creative part of the music industry and we have the business part. You see, I released a book a few years ago called The Music and the Business. And you're going to see testimonials inside this training. You're going to see a lot of testimonials from people who read that book, right? And the reason that is important is because when you treat your music as a business, you begin to see results. Okay, a lot of people do not see results from their music because they treat their music as a hobby. You ask somebody, why do you make music, and they're like, man, I just like it, man, I just like it. So I go to the studio, I record stuff, and then that's it, man, I just like it. So when you treat your music as a hobby, you're not going to be specific. You're not going to have a plan. You're not going to have strategies. You're not going to have tactics, and because of that you will not see results. So the moment you begin to treat your music as a business, that's when you see results. Okay, so going forward, I want you to start treating your music as a business. Think about all the business owners you have, right? When they go into their business, they don't go into their business as if they're just playing. No, they go into their business serious, professional. Look at the most successful musicians we have. How do they go into music, right? They don't go into music and then they stop along the line and say no, they're not doing because it's not working. No, they keep working, they keep learning. That's how you win in this music thing, okay? So start treating your music as a business and watch out for the results that you begin to get, okay? Now, what we're going to cover in this workshop, we're going to look at the biggest mistakes that musicians make in the Nigerian music industry. We're also going to look at the secret strategies that have helped us get more fans and how you can use these strategies to to go viral. You're going to see the strategies that have given us results, and we're going to talk about the strategies that work for even celebrities and aspiring artists. And I'm going to introduce to you my $1 per day music marketing plan that you can use to get thousands of people to know you, every single day. Okay, so what we're about to talk about here is fire. It's fire. Then we'll go on to talk about the secret way to run sponsored promotion for your music. You see all the sponsored promotion you see online. I'm going to show you the way and the correct strategies you can use to run the sponsored promotion so that you get noticed by record labels, influencers, fans, even radio stations, and everybody. Okay, so I hope you've gotten your pen. Then we'll proceed to talk about 8 easy ways to get paid for your music as a Nigerian artist, because This part is very important because a lot of people keep saying that it's not possible to make money from your music until you are signed to a record label. I'm going to break that myth today. So if you're in that category where you've been telling other people as well that they don't fit make money from music, I'm going to break the myth today. So you're going to see with proof that other musicians are already started doing it. If you're not doing it, then you are the one who is behind. Okay. Then I'm sure this is why you bought this training program. It's either you bought this training program for 8 ways to get paid or how to get thousands of streams for free. But I'm not going to disappoint you. Okay, so we're going to look at how to get thousands of streams for free without paying for promotion, right? I'm going to show you the secret strategies that celebrities are using to get 500,000 streams in 3 days. So when you see that somebody has 1 million streams in one day, 2 million streams in how many days, I'm going to show you the secret strategies. You are sleeping. Okay, let's go. Now, the same strategies I'm about to reveal to you, what are the strategies that got us over 50,000 views for Black Beat Music on YouTube. You can search for Black Beat Music, it's verified on Instagram. It's one of the baddest producers slash rapper in the game. Over 50,000 views. And what's because using the same strategies I'm about to show you. And it's the same strategies that I'm about to reveal to you that we use to promote this music to over 987,000 people on Facebook. Think about it, in just 28 days. Imagine the popularity you will gain. Imagine how far you will go, right? If you could get your music in front of, even if it's just 500,000 people. Think about it. You are talented, you are good. People are telling you are good. So imagine that more people know about you. I'm sure a record label will pick you up, right? They'll sign you. So I'm going to show you the strategies, right? Now, so the reason I'm showing you this is so you know the strategies I'm about to review to you, they work. So you don't just think I want to teach you theory, they work, right? And it's also the same strategy that made this Nigerian musician to go viral. You can see that's about 3,000 people liking his music. No, you got look at the video. Does this look like an expensive video? This video was shot on an iPhone. Heck, if you even have a good Android phone, the camera will be clearer than this. Think about this. No record label, no expensive video. You didn't have to do 500,000 video thing because he used the same strategy. When we ran this campaign for him, look at what we got: 3,000 people, 200 comments, 100 people were sharing with their friends. Imagine, you just start thinking and imagining how far your music career will go if you start using these same strategies for your music. Okay, all right. Now, if you don't know who I am, you've probably never met me before. Maybe you just saw this online, you saw my advert online, and you're like, let me check this guy out. Maybe he has something important to say. Let me introduce myself, okay? My name is Paddy. Musicians call me the music guru. I didn't name myself that though. I'm going to show you some of the musicians. They call me the music guru, call me the career builder, yada yada yada, right? Now, what I do is I teach musicians how to get fans and how to get paid using my secret music money secret. Yes, it's a secret. Not a lot of people know it. The few people who know it are the ones who are getting results. Okay. Now I'm a marketing consultant and a paid advertising specialist. I believe in paid advertising. I believe that when you run paid advertising, maybe sponsored campaigns, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, that you have the ability to shine without necessarily waiting to be signed. I know that's a punchline. Yes, I'm going to show you. I used to make music back in the day too. That's why I know this stuff, right? So you'll be able to shine without waiting to be signed, right? You'll be able to get your music in front of thousands of people. You'll be able to get your brand, your message in front of thousands of people. By the way, this particular picture I have here that I put here, I could have put a different picture, but I decided to put this one. This was a business trip that was all expense paid for because a record label saw me talking about music marketing and they wanted me to come over and talk about music marketing for them. I'm going to show you the video, right? And they paid for it. They paid for the trip, they paid for my hotel, they paid for my food and everything because I use these paid advertising strategies. And that's why I believe that anybody who has a message, who has music, who has something they love, they can get to their destination by getting in front of thousands of people. And the way you do that is using paid advertising, right? And that's what I specialize in. Okay, so whether it's Facebook, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Instagram, paid advertising is the key. Okay. Now I've worked with record labels. I just told you a little story now. I've worked with verified artists who have thousands, hundreds of thousands of streams, who have done millions of streams. I work with upcoming artists as well. Okay. Then I'm the creator of the only music marketing and monetization course in Africa called Music Money program. You can quote me on this, but in all my search, I have looked around and I've never seen anybody who has a course as comprehensive as mine in Africa, teaching musicians how to actually get paid for their music. Right? So, you're welcome. I know you said thank you. So let's dive into it. Okay. Now, if you've not gotten your pen and your paper, I want you to do that, because the reason why is you need to pay attention to what I'm about to show you. And the reason why you need to pay attention is because these strategies are the same strategies that the most successful celebrities use, right? And I'm going to show you proof. Remember, I said I'm going to show you proof. You're going to see what Olamide is doing. You're going to see what Burna Boy is doing. You're going to see what Wizkid is doing. You're going to see what even Sinach, who's a gospel musician, is doing. You're going to see what Rema, what these guys who are successful, who are buzzing, who are trending. The strategies they are using are what I'm going to show you now. So you need to pay attention. Take away all distractions. Don't let the money you paid for this training waste. Take close attention. These are also the same exact strategies that have gotten us results and testimonies. You see, you're going to see more testimonies. I'm sure when you bought this program, you saw testimonies. You're going to see more testimonies. The same strategies that got us those results. You are seeing thousands of views, thousands of streams. It's what I'm about to show you. So the truth is that these strategies work even if nobody knows you. Okay? That's why I need you to pay attention. The strategies I'm about to reveal to you, they work even if nobody knows you. And I'm going to show you proof. So make sure that you don't have any distraction. Don't say because you didn't pay 100,000 for this information that you're going to play around. Okay? So watch this to the end. Get your pen and your paper and let's get to it. Alright? Now this is Black Beats Music with over 500,000 streams on Spotify. You can tell that he's not a small boy, right? I've worked with this man or this artist. Okay, he just got married last year to a sweetheart, very beautiful young lady. Okay, this is Tope Calculator. She's a gospel musician. Now, the reason I'm showing you this particular one is because a lot of gospel artists have asked me, "Paddy, do these strategies work for gospel artists?" And the truth is, whether you do gospel, you do juju, you do Afrobeat, you do whatever, the same strategies work because you are selling to human beings, right? Music is a universal language. Okay, so once you know the strategies and the blueprints, you'll be able to apply it to any genre of music you do. Okay, whether it's neo soul, gospel. Okay, all right. This is Tentic. Tentic is one artist I love very much, right? He had a beef with Black Bones of MI's record label Chocolate City back in the day. I think that was 2019 thereabouts. And if you go online and search for Tentic, you'll see he's doing wonderful. He has done songs with like Young Six, Paper Leon, all these guys, right? Now, in 2019, we promoted him to #3 iTunes hip hop charts, above Jay-Z, next to Nicki Minaj, no record label. If you look at the diagram very well in front of you, you see I've circled Summer Vibe. That's a song, 200 naira. His song was the most expensive, but the song was #3. Imagine that. Think about it. This is marketing. Right, if you look at #1, that's Nicki Minaj #1 there, and #4 just under Summer Vibe, you see Thread by Jay-Z. This guy was above Jay-Z. Think about that. Pure marketing. So what I'm about to show you works, my brother, my sister, whoever watching this right now, this works. Okay, then I've taught this strategy as well way back since 2019. This is a music class we had in 2019, music workshop. This is one we had. This is me teaching the class. This is a more private kind of workshop we had, and then this is in 2020. This was a record label meeting we had on Zoom. 2020, because of the pandemic, people could not really travel to physical meetings, so this is a Zoom 101 meeting with the record label owner. And then these are some testimonials. This person says, "I want to thank you for everything. I followed your book word by word or word to word, and it clicked, right? Thank you very much." Remember the book I told you that I have on the music business? This is testimonies you are seeing here. I'm showing you all these things for a reason. So if you still have doubts in your mind, you take those doubts away and then learn, because it's going to benefit you. Okay. Now this is another person who says, "I wish people can turn up on this offer. Many artists are there thinking it's 419. I bet you these guys try Paddy Ransom on this. That guy is good. I bought his book first. That book I'm talking about. And later paid for the video lessons. Guys, now I can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube myself." These are real life testimonies. Okay. This is another person who bought the training program. Good evening, bro. I just finished going through your video tutorial. It's damn amazing. Seriously, you're the best, bro. If you're thinking, probably there's a lot of people who are so naive. They see testimonies like this and they say, maybe the guy went to pay people to talk all these things. All these things are fake. He orchestrated it. And the only thing is, while you keep thinking that things like this are orchestrated, people who are getting the result are moving forward in life, and people who are thinking it's orchestrated, they never get value. This is another person saying, hey, I'm on the verge of benefits. It has been a great experience working with Paddy. Somebody says great session, right? I give value out. This is another person saying, Oga P, you don't come again. Our money will finish on top of your quality content too. I never hear of this one now. Or yeah, make me go buy. I put out value. So when I put paid offers, people buy, right? This is another one. This one, I like this one very well. He said, I've been reading each of your posts and I found it more interesting. And it has also changed my mindset over this music industry. Look at this, pay attention. He said, for many years, I have been waiting for the sponsor Messiah to come and sign me up, never knowing that I can do this on my own. Did you hear this? People read my book and then they get revelations. So the secret I want to show you now is mad. This is what he said. Now all I need to do is hustle more and raise money so I can start this journey. Thanks for your help, Paddy. Can you see that? Can you see that? You can't fake this. You can't fake this. You can't fake this. And then this is another person. Recently, you can see the dates is there, 2021. He said, we did it, man. Sold for 1,050 naira. Never heard someone sell an album, chocolates of a single at that rate, and some bought. Better than a free download. Following my strategies, he sold his album for 1,000 naira. He added 50 naira on top. That's it. That's it. So, if you're still doubting, I'm sure you've seen that what I'm about to show you is fire. Okay? Okay, I told you I was going to show you a record label meeting, right? Okay. I hope that my network is good enough to let me play this for you, because I want you to see that this is fire. Okay? Yeah, so if you saw the last part of that video, you'd have seen what should I call that now? You'd have seen a note there that says music marketing plan for record labels, right? That's a record label meeting. You can see how massive the studio is and all that. So this is fire. People are paying me hundreds of thousands of naira for what you have in your hands now. Don't misuse it, okay? Or else I'll take it away. Now let's get into it. Let's get into the meat. The biggest mistakes artists make in the industry. Okay, I showed you this just now, and that's because one of the biggest mistakes I see is a lot of musicians are wasting their time waiting to be signed by a record label. Because they don't have the idea, they don't have the knowledge. They say ignorance. Is ignorance bliss? Ignorance is not bliss. So, because when you don't know the right things, it begins to affect you. So people are wasting time waiting to be signed. Right now, we see that a lot of musicians are uploading their music to free download websites. Listen, if you're trying to get paid for your music, then this is something that you cannot afford to do. You can't be uploading your music to free download blogs. The reason is simple. Even if you get 1 million downloads, it is zero. You know what the problem is? You are making the blogger rich. That's why bloggers have money. Musicians don't have money. It's as simple as that. Let me explain. So the blogger charges you, for instance, blogs like Naija Loaded and So Exclusive. I have nothing on them. I'm not trying to tear them down. They charge you like maybe 45, 50k. That's okay. Now this is what happens. You pay 45, 50k or maybe 25 or 35, whatever amount it is, to upload your song. Then you take the link they give you, you go and share it with your friends, right? So what happens? You send your friends to the website, back to the website to go and download the song. So what are you doing? You are paying them to upload the song. You are helping them drive traffic. Because every time you send people to their websites, that is traffic that they are getting from you free of charge. Have you seen that? I'm going to tell you what to do instead. Okay? So watch this. Now, and I see a lot of musicians tagging celebrities on social media. Listen, this is the worst way to promote yourself because these celebrities have worked hard to get to where they are. They did not tag other people on their post. They put in the work. So you tagging celebrities, they just see you as they know you tag them. So when they don't respond, don't think they don't see. They know you are tagging them. But what happens? What do you expect? Do you expect that somebody will just come and sign an artist that doesn't have a plan? The only marketing strategy they have is to tag celebrities on their post that they don't even have any engagement, they don't have fans, nothing's happening on their page, their Instagram is dead. Then you think you get signed, it doesn't work like that. Right? Now that's what I just said. Most of them have no music marketing plan. So I see a lot of musicians just wake up one morning and say, oh more, I just get this inspiration now. Or more not to enter studio show pass. They boom, they go to the studio, boom, 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 they don't record song, boom, 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 pew is out. Guys, my new single is out. That's me, man. Guys, show me some love. If you really love me, go download my song. If you don't love me, don't download it. If you don't download my song, it means you don't love me. All that crap. That's bullshit, man. You need to have a marketing plan. And this goes back to the first mindset I talked about, right? Having, you know, treating your music as a business. When you treat your music as a business, then you won't be releasing music without a marketing plan. Okay? Now a lot of people, 99% of musicians I know don't have the knowledge about the music business, which is one of the reasons why I stopped making music. I decided to learn this thing from the best of the best, get some results with it, implement it in other people, get results, and they start teaching it. You know, I noticed that a lot of people don't know about the music business, and there's nobody talking about it. The record labels are hiding the one they know. People who are blown are not talking anything. So upcoming artists are just left without a blueprint. They don't know what's popping. And that's exactly why I decided to start teaching musicians this thing. I started as a musician. You're going to see some of my little success in my local area. You're going to see I sold my merch. I hosted my own events, right? But I had to stop because I felt like there's a greater purpose to this thing. Okay? So let's get to it. So these are the biggest mistakes I see all artists make in the industry. Wasting their time waiting to be signed, uploading their music to free download blogs, tagging celebrities here and there. No music marketing plan, no knowledge of the industry. Right? So that's it. Now let's get to 3 CP strategies for getting results in this music industry. And these are the strategies that have helped us get all those thousands of views you are seeing and you like, all those thousands of streams. These are the secret strategies for getting those results. Okay. Number one, distribute your music to the international payment stores, the digital stores, instead of free downloads. And I'm going to show you celebrities doing this, right? But why should you do this? Everybody knows that if you upload your music to the international payment stores like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Deezer, Tidal, when people listen to your music on those platforms, you get paid. For instance, if you get 1,000 downloads on a free download website, you're not going to get paid. But if you get 1,000 streams on Apple Music, for instance, you're going to get around $8. Now you're probably thinking, $8 is small. All right, let's take it a step further. If you have a million downloads on a free download website, you get zero. But if you have $1 million on Apple Music, a million streams on Apple Music, you get $8,000. Is that small now? From your music without a record label. The next thing you want to do is you want to get your music in front of thousands of new people every single day using sponsored promo. Yes, using sponsored promo, because remember I said with sponsored promotion you can get in front of thousands of people. Because if you just make music and you keep it for only your guys to see, only you and your family to hear, it's like it's your family that will sign you. Maybe it's your friends that will open record label, they will not do manager. Of course, that's why I say a lot of people do. They say, this my friend, this my manager. Because you don't have the knowledge. Do you even need a manager at that point? Do you have what it takes to have a manager? What are they managing? Do you have a career that they are managing? You see, these are a lot of questions, a lot of things people don't know, right? That's why you need to get your music of thousands of people across the world. When you do that consistently, you start to get People notice you, start to get attention, start to get exposure. And the way to do it is using sponsored promo. Okay? Don't worry, I'm going to show you a deeper dive of all these things. Don't worry, I'm going to show you, I'm going to go dive. I'm going to dive into it and show you, right? Now, the next thing you want to do is find the people that like your music, your style, your sound, because everybody makes different type of music. Even if we say we make Afrobeat, some people make gospel, and inside gospel they have their own niche. Some people make Afrobeats, inside Afrobeat they have their own niche. So find people that like your style and sound of music and sell your music to them. A lot of musicians reach out to me because I run adverts for my business, and so I get a lot of people reach out to me every single day. Like, Paddy, how do I get people to like my music? How do I target and find people like my music? It's simple. Use sponsor promo. When you put out a music video or a freestyle video of your song on social media, it gets in front of thousands of people. Here's what's going to happen. You're going to find that out of that 1,000 people, 10 people, 20 people, 50 people are going to comment, "Hey man, I like your song. This is dope, man." They're going to, some of them will share with their friends. Some of them will like it. Those people that share with their friends, that like it, that comment, are the people that like your style of music. Because other people listen to that same music and they feel like, I don't like this, man. Pass. I'm gonna skip. But other people took their time. They stopped what they were doing. They commented, man, fire, bro. This song is nice, man. Those are the people that like your music. So how do you turn those guys into fans? You put out music consistently. You keep a relationship with these people. That's how you do it, right? A lot of musicians don't want to do all of that. Now, so why should you get your music on the payment websites? Because it works. This is what celebrities are doing, and it's the secret way they get paid. Think about it. 2020 was a pandemic. How do you think people like Mr. Easy were making millions of dollars? I don't know if you saw the post one time where it says he needs to make he needs to make $5 million, and he said he was going to make it from his vocal cords. He was tapping his throat. How? Because he was going to get money through streaming. Right. It's as simple as that, man. I was speaking with a friend of mine some time back, and he told me that the guys who work with Mr. Easy, their marketing team, said from one of Mr. Easy's songs, he has like how many $1 million from streaming that he has not used. The money is just there, he has not touched the money. They keep asking him, "How far Easy? What's up with this money? What are we doing with this money?" Easy said, "Oh, just leave that money. Just leave it there. Because the money is plenty." It's from streaming. Nobody was able to perform in the pandemic. Everybody was doing streaming. So if celebrities who are successful are doing this, shouldn't you be doing it as well? Right? Think about it. Think about it. Look at this. This is Sinach, a gospel musician. That's the link in our bio. Peace in the storm. What's that? That's a fan link. If you click on that link, you're going to see that she's taking you to iTunes and Spotify. But I'm going to show you, don't worry. This is Olamide. There's nobody who doesn't know Olamide, Badu. This is Olamide. Look at the link in his bio. It's not surprising how all the celebrities are now doing the same thing I'm telling you to do. This is AG baby, it's your baby. Look at the link in his bio. That's a fan link. These celebrities that are successful are doing it the right way. So what's up with upcoming artists trying to, be superstars and do it the wrong way? Look at, if you click Peace in the Storm, this is where it's going to take you to. Can you see? Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, YouTube, Amazon. Are you seeing this? And then go down. You're going to see where it says buy. Can you see that? Can you see where it says buy? iTunes. Selling their music. Yes, people will say it's not possible to sell your music. Now, if you are thinking that because people are successful already, I'm going to bust your head a little bit. But first of all, look at the point I'm trying to prove. They are sending their music, their fans, to their Apple Music and Spotify to go listen to their music so that they get paid. Can you see this? Now, the next thing you want to do is get your music in front of thousands of people every single day using sponsored promo. Yes, that's the secret. That's the next thing I talked about. Let me show you. Let me show you your favorite celebrities who are doing sponsored promo, because a lot of people think that Wizkid has blown. Because Wizkid has blown, he doesn't need to do any promotions. I was telling this same thing I'm about to show you in the record label meeting I just showed you. I was telling the record label owner, because he's based in the US. just came to Nigeria for some time, and then so it was during his time. Some advert and say, "Yo, let's meet up, man." That they flew me in. So I was telling him that these superstars run ads. He didn't believe me. Because I showed him what I'm about to show you, and he was shocked. Like, what? These guys who are blown are still running ads. They're still doing sponsored promo. This is Adekunle Gold. Look at where I circled there. If you look up here, goodness, what is this? Sponsored post. What is he doing? He's sending people to his family. Isn't this crazy that Adekunle Gold, who has blown, he's in the UK now. I think he's based in London or so. He's running ads. This is Rema. He's doing what? This is sponsored promotion. He's sending people to his what? His family. Can you see that? To his streaming website, so that people can go and stream his music. Are you there? Are you there? Are you there? This is Wizkid. They call him the Machala Jackson. If you don't know Machala, I don't know who you know. Wizkid. They send Wizkid. He's running sponsored promotion for his song. He's sending people to his family. Are you seeing what I'm showing you now? And this is Odogu, the self-acclaimed giant of Africa, running sponsored promotion. Now, if the biggest stars in the game are uploading their music on the payment website and running sponsored promotion, then shouldn't you be doing the same? That's my question for you. Think about that. Okay? Now, why do sponsored promotion work? And what's the benefit of doing it? Now, the major reason it works is when you do sponsor promotion, you're going to get discovered by thousands of people. It's as simple as that. And that's why celebrities are doing it. And if you do it the right way, using our own strategies here, because a lot of people just boost posts and then when they don't get results, they say it's not working. Yeah, it's not going to work if you don't do it right. Okay? Now, when you do it right, you're going to get noticed by celebrities, TV stations, comedians, and even record labels. And I'm going to show you proof. Don't worry. You are thinking, Paddy, how? I know you're excited. Take a chill pill, man. I'm going to show you, right? Now, look at this short training video that I sent to my list of musicians. I have a list of over 1,000 musicians on WhatsApp. I send messages. I have a Facebook group, but we've not started pushing it. We have a few members there. That's a private only community though, so it's not for everybody. Right? It's only for people who work with me personally. Now I want to play this video for you. I want you to pay very close attention to the strategies in this video. Right, you're going to see how I'm promoting musicians in front of fans of celebrities, in front of radio stations, TV stations. So just watch it for yourself. Okay, so pay close attention to this. It's going to blow your mind, literally. Okay, so how do you promote your new music video so that more fans, more people will see your new music video, including record labels? Let me show you how I'm doing it for other musicians. Look at this. This is my YouTube, and what I'm doing is this. I've selected the video, if you can see here. So what I'm doing is I'm telling YouTube, show my music video to everybody who follows the video on social media. And you can do this for any celebrity at all. Maybe a gospel musician, you can do it for Sinatra, Kirk Franklin, Tim Godfrey, anybody. The next thing I'm doing is I'm saying, show my music to everybody who watches MTV Base. You can also do this for Hip TV, you can do this for Trace Niger. Because if you don't have money to pay these guys, this is the easiest way you can do it. And the benefit and advantage is you'll be using your own YouTube channel. You'll be getting the subscribers, you'll be getting the fans. What about influencers? This is Brother Shaggy, right? I can do this for Mr. Macaroni. So I'm saying you to show my music video to everybody who likes Brother Shaggy, who follows Brother Shaggy on social media. What about record labels? This is Maybe Records that belongs to Don Jazzy, right? So imagine the popularity you will gain getting your music video in front of these people. Think about this. Imagine how far you will go if anybody from this record label should see your music. And this is what they call targeted campaigns. And that's what we do over here. Look at Facebook. We're also saying Facebook, show our music video to everybody who lives worldwide, but people who like Afro music, because I know that you're watching this video right now because you make Afro beats, right? Afro music, right? But also those people must like iTunes and Spotify and Tidal Music and Apple Music. Why? Because everybody knows that if somebody listens to your music on iTunes or Spotify, you get paid. You already know, if you know me, that I don't like free download website, because even if you get 1 million downloads, it is still zero. So this is it. This is the secret way you can get your music in front of thousands of people, including record labels. Look, if you like this video, you want to learn how to do it yourself. Okay, so if you saw that very well, let me take it back. If you saw that very well, then you'd have noticed that I still made mention of the fact that I don't like free download. I say it every time, right? It's not profitable, okay? And then you saw from my Google Ads manager where I run Google Ads, YouTube ads, that by the way, that's how you know that we don't do fake stuff here. You saw my dashboard, I run it from Google Ads, I pay for these ads. You don't there's no way you're going to do sponsor promotion in a wrong way and expect to get the right result, right? These are strategies that a lot of people don't know. You understand? And no wonder we have good results. No wonder we're getting thousands of views. No wonder we're getting testimonials because we're using secret strategies or showing the music to people who can stream your music, to people who can buy your music, to people who can sign you, to people who can change your career. That's what we're doing. So we're not wasting your time showing your music to people who don't have money to support you. Right? These are strategies that a lot of people do not know. Okay. Now let me introduce to you the $1 per day music marketing strategy or plan. Now this strategy, the secret behind this strategy is very simple. With as low as $1, and I'm equating the dollar to 500 naira. You can say $1 is 450 or whatever, it doesn't matter here. Just get the point. Now with as low as 500 naira every single day, you can take your career to the next level. How? If you look here very well, you're going to see that the reach here, estimated reach, is 600 to 2,000 people. That's 1,900 people. That means that with as low as 500 naira every single day to promote your music, you can get your music and your brand and your message and your talent in front of 600 to 2,000 people every single day. Oh my lord. Imagine getting in front, doing this consistently for a month. Imagine how many people you will reach. They keep thousands of people just keep noticing who is this guy? Who is this guy? And if you follow our secret strategies of creating viral content, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral videos. If you follow those secret strategies and you use this $1 per day music marketing plan, forget it. Give yourself a month, 2 months, 3 months, and you're going to get people reaching out to you. Hey man, I like your music, man. Can we work together? Hey man, are you signed to a record label? Hey man, it's as simple as that. Now I'm going to show you proof. I told you that I'm going to back up everything I say today with proof. I'm going to show you proof. So this is $1 per day music marketing plan. That's just budget for your music that this month you want to spend 500 naira per day on your music, social media, because you have seen that social media is where the celebrities are. You see celebrity go and do radio and television. That's a part of their marketing strategy because they have a lot of money. The money is there. But if you don't have a lot of money, if you want to do radio television now, they'll charge you around 350 or 250 or 150k. Yes. Do you have the 150k to pay? Now, even if you go spend 150k on radio television, you will not get fans, you will not get streams. Does it even make sense? These guys that do this radio television, they've blown. They have the budget for streaming, they have the budget for sponsored ads, they have the budget for all these other things that are making the money so they can afford to do radio and television. How do you cannot afford to take 50k, 150k, 500k and go and do Sound City and expect to get streams? They will play your music, yes. People will see your music, yes. But how is that going to add to your bank account as an upcoming artist? You're not signed. Will that give you streams? You've just seen that celebrities are fighting for streams and you are going to fight for radio play and television play. Yes, they will see you are going to watch your video. There's no problem. You yourself, you will snap it and you will show to your friends. They will be happy with you. They will be hailing you, but your bank account will be empty. So imagine taking that 500k to run streaming promotion for your music. People will still see you. They will still see you online when they are browsing on their phone. They will see you. Now my guy be this, so I know this person now. Look at thousands of people like it. First of all, you become more professional. They'll start respecting you. Secondly, your streaming account will be going up. Wisdom. Don't leave me. But you see, a lot of musicians don't have the type of wisdom we have over here. So I'm happy that you're watching this video now. I'm giving you the wisdom as well. Okay? Alright. So that is the same strategy that helped us get over 10,000 views for 10 on that Summer Vibe song. That same song that got number 3 iTunes support chart. Mind you, Here's an interesting story though. When we promoted that song, the video was not out. There was no video for that song. When that song climbed the charts, there was no video for the song. When we started the promotion, I told him to go record a freestyle video. So he went and did a live bind of the song. He was rapping the song. Somebody was playing the band. He's a very talented guy. If you see Tentic anywhere, tell him I said so. He's very talented. It's very good as well. So he performed it live. That was the video we promoted. We used to get thousands of fans. You know, you know. So it was after the song went to the chart that he shot this music video you are seeing here. See, that's a white lady. This shit is in Nigeria. Do we have white ladies in Nigeria? He shot it in Dubai. Go online, search for 10 Summer Vibe. You're going to see that video was shot in Dubai. Do you understand? And that's the same strategy we use for what Black Beat music as well. Now, so let's have a recap of what we've learned so far. I don't want to compound all this into your head so that you don't forget. So we've looked at the biggest mistakes that artists make. We looked at the 3 secret strategies for getting results in the music business. We've looked at how to get more fans and how to get noticed by labels using sponsor promo. And I also gave you my $1 per day music marketing plan. Okay, so this is a recap of what we have done so far. So I hope that you're taking notes. It's my hope that you're really taking notes and you're enjoying this so far. All right, good. So let's move to the next section. How to create viral videos in 3 simple steps. How to create viral videos in 3 simple steps. Now I'm going to break down the strategy that we use to create this viral campaign, right? And these are the same strategies that have worked. If you look at the Korodu boys, for instance, you notice that when those guys started out, they didn't have professional video teams. They were doing this thing on their phone, and they got noticed by international film industry way abroad. Simple videos, because people want to see your talent, raw talent. They want to see your raw talent. They don't want to see all the one you have gone and do auto tune on top. They don't want to see all those ones. They don't want to see the one that you have gone and do effects. No, simple videos on your phone. They want to see the real you. In fact, go and check out Cheryl, MC Cheryl on Instagram, on YouTube. She bought my training program recently. Her song was used in Merry Men 2. If I watch Merry Men Part 2, her song was used in Merry Men. If you look at her Instagram, look at her YouTube, she does simple videos. Just turn on the camera and she perform the song, sing it. People want to hear the real you, not auto tune. Do auto tune, your voice will be here in one place, the auto tune will be sounding on that place. No, come on, man. And then people also want to see what straight to the point, straight to meat. So when you want to create a viral video, you don't go and be putting 10 seconds, 15 seconds intro. That's not your track, man. People are scrolling on social media, they don't have time to waste. As they're scrolling on social media, they just come across your video. Who is this guy again? Then they play it, bust their head. If you're a rapper, once they play it, you hit them 20 figures, trying to get again. The person will be shocked. Who is this? Or more, this person sabi rap. They get hooked. They want to hear more. They want to hear more. They want to hear more. Who's this guy? They start to check you out. Not the one that they will see your stuff online, they click it and then you start doing before you're going to lose a fan. So it should be short and straight to the point, straight to the content. If it is chorus you want to do, hit the chorus. If you're a singer, let somebody play it and then you take them to the next stage of their life, the way they never expected it. See, they never expected it. As simple as that. Never expected it. You give them hot as it's hot. You understand? That's how it is. Alright? Now you want to make sure it's short. You don't want to bore people. 30 seconds to 1 minute is okay. If it's your original music, go do a freestyle video, a teaser video, or anything. Or you do cover songs, whichever way. But make sure it is simple, it is raw, because people want to see the raw you. Make sure it is short and straight to the point. Make sure that it is not too long. Okay? Alright. So go and use these strategies and create your viral videos, alright? But remember, you can create a viral video with this, but if you want to get it viral, you have to run sponsored promotion. Okay? It's as simple as that. Now this is a testimonial somebody sent to me. He said he bought my training program, right? So after buying my training program, he implemented and executed. Because that's why I see that a lot of people buy training programs like this, but they don't put it into work, they don't take action. Okay? So because they don't take action, they don't get results. Do you understand? So look at what he said. He said, Paddy, after running my ads on Facebook, just remaining Instagram, okay? I haven't finished running the ads though, but I received a message from Canada that she loved my music and style. So think about this. And he says, I can't believe the way people start reaching out to me. Imagine this. Imagine he bought my training program, he put it into work, he started running his campaign, and somebody from far away Canada reached out to him that she loves his music and his style of music. He's an Afrobeat musician, but he's getting fans from Canada. Your fans are everywhere in the world. You just need to get your music in front of them. This is proof. So the next secret is sell your music to people who like your music or brand. I know I ran away from this because I'm tired of saying it. People are out there waiting to hear your music. You are keeping them waiting. No, don't do that. That's a crime. It's a crime for you to make music and hide it. You are talented, you're good. The world needs to hear your music. It's your responsibility to get your music to them. So if you're hiding your music, you are doing the world a great disservice. I put it to you that you're a criminal. Yes, you have good music, but you're hiding it, you're not promoting it because you think you're not popular. This is an artist who is getting fans from Canada. Especially if you make music that touches people's lives, that can change the person's life. You don't know, somebody might be contemplating suicide, but when they hear your music, then they think about life. You don't know there are music that people make music like that, and then you're hiding the music. I put it to you again that you're a criminal. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's what it is. So start putting your music out, because you're going to give account to God when you die. I believe in God. I believe God exists. I believe in Jesus Christ. I'm a Christian. Yes. You're going to give account to God. God is going to ask you, this talent I gave you, you can rap, you can sing. What did you do with it? And you tell God, hey, God, I was waiting for somebody to sign me. God is going to ask you, did you not watch Paddy's Music Money workshop? Did you not watch his workshop? How come you did not put your content out? That's what God is going to ask you. It's very simple, right? So next thing you want to do is you want to sell your music to people who like your music, right? If it's a bit noisy in the background, please bear with me for a while. We're going to be done very soon. Just pay attention to the juice here, okay? So you want to sell your music to people who like your brand and style of what music, okay? Let me take this closer to somewhere a bit better, okay? So you want to sell your music to people who like your music. So how do you sell it? We're going to go into how you can start selling your music, okay? All right, let's go forward. Forward, man. All right. Now, the first thing you want to do is, before you think about selling your music, you have to be able to find people to buy your music. So how do you find people to buy your music, right? Now, it's simple. The first thing is sell your music to the fans you already have. See, so before you start spending money on sponsor promotion, sell your music to the fans you already have. You see all those people that downloaded your music for 1,000 naira, oh sorry, that downloaded your music the last time for free. You know, maybe your last download, you probably had like 500 downloads. You see all those people that downloaded your music, they're your fans. Start selling your music to them. Then use sponsor promotion to get new fans. That's how you get more fans, right? So you start by selling to the fans you already have, then you use sponsor promotion to get more fans, okay? This is an artist, like I said, who bought my training program. He said, finally, we did it. We did it, man. Sold for 1,050 naira, right? And this is February 2021, right? He sold his music to his fans. He didn't even do sponsor promo yet. So instead of giving your music for free, look at what he said. He said he has never heard of somebody selling an album, at that rate, and some people bought it better than a free download. It's definitely better than a free download. That's what it is. Imagine that all the 1,000 or 500 people or 100 people that downloaded your music for free the last time. Imagine that you sold your music to them. Imagine how much money you have in your bank account now. So instead of going to cry that you don't have money, you did music, and your money is gone. No, you make money. Okay. So let's dive into how to get paid for your music in 8 easy ways. Okay, I know that this is one of the reasons we bought this course. Let me see what this guy wants to say. Is this guy serious? Can I get paid for my music? Are you serious? Okay, let's get to it. All right. Number one way to sell your music is through streaming. And I just showed you celebrities who are, doing it. And let me show you proof. This is a screenshot from iTalk. iTalk is a distribution company based in Lagos, Nigeria, and they help you distribute your music to platforms across the world. You can check them out, right? Now, this is a screenshot that they released some time back. This is an artist making $1,000, $1,154 for streaming. Streaming. This artist is not signed. He just distributed his music and he used the right strategies and he got streams, and this is the money he made. So this is number one way, and this is how celebrities are making their money. Go and check, you see that Mr. Eze has 10 million streams, you see that 20 million streams. You think he's play? I'm making money. Okay, okay. I just saw that Omale had over 20 million streams on his last album. Imagine how much money that guy has made, right? Okay. Now the next thing is number two, using music selling websites, music payment website. That screenshot I showed you, right? This is what it looks like. So instead of giving your music away for free, for people to go and download your music for free, you can use a music selling website like this and sell your music. This lady is selling her music for 500 naira. Imagine that, 500 naira. So instead of giving your music away for free, this person is selling her music because she treats her music as a business. This young man is selling his own music for 1,000 naira. Can you see this? So when people say that, na lie, you don't fit sell your music for Nigeria, gbagbe story, lori iro, show them this video, but don't show this video to other people, let them buy it. But I'm sure that you've gotten the point. So when somebody says that it's not possible to sell your music in Nigeria as an upcoming artist, tell them to shut up, because I'm sure you don't know these guys, but they're selling their music, their fans are buying. And look at the funny part. There's over 200 million people in Nigeria. This guy needs only 1,000 fans, only 1,000 people to buy his music for 1,000 naira, and he makes 1 million naira from his music. You are sleeping. 200 million people. He doesn't need a million fans, so he doesn't need a million followers. He doesn't need 100,000 followers. He doesn't need 10,000 followers, just 1,000 people to make 1 million naira. So imagine that he's putting out album every 2 months or every 3 months in a year. That's how he'll be making 1 million cash. Everything's going to his account. Can you see now? This one is selling his own for 200. So if you are watching this and you're thinking, will people buy my music for 500 naira? Will people buy my music for 1,000 naira? This person is selling his own for 200. This one is selling his own for 100 naira. No be one person, no be two people. I don't show you 4 people now, and I've shown you proof. It works. Okay? So the next time you want to give your music for free, think about what I could as well sell the music. If you have people on your timeline who are your fans that cannot download or buy your music for 100 naira, they are not your fans, they are just your followers. There's a difference between fans and followers, but we're not ready to have that conversation right now. Okay, just know that there's a difference between fans and followers. All right. Number 3 is merchandise, and I decided to use myself as an example here, right? So back when I still made music, I made merch. So all this is I'm telling you, I'm not just telling you theory, I'm telling you things I've done, right? Now, this is merch that I made. I printed my name on it. I went by the name Paddy Rems back in the day. If you even search on Google right now, you're going to see some information. Don't listen to those songs. Some of the songs are terrible. But I was a badass rapper though. I was getting paid for features. I hosted my own events. I'm going to show you all of that. Don't worry. Don't let me talk too much. So you can see I printed my shirt. I was wearing it and people were buying. You don't believe that people were buying? Look at this. People were making orders. Paddy Rems, can I get the shirt? Paddy Rems, this is really nice. Can I get the shirt? And I was selling my stuff to them, making money. You see the shirt on me, I'm like, Paddy Rems, man, the Lagos takeover, man. I like this shirt, man. How can I get mine? Oh man, it's only 5K. Alright, man, send me a copy, send me my own shirt. You pay me, I go get your shirt for you. This was one of the ways I made money back in the days in Unilag. Yes, I went to Unilag. Unilag boy, yes. I'm telling you. And look at the strategy I used. At the back of the shirt, I put a link to my song. Back then, I was still promoting myself on SoundCloud because I didn't have all the information I have now that I'm sharing with you. There was nobody to share the information with me, right? So I was promoting myself on SoundCloud at the time. I didn't even know how to do sponsor promo. I didn't know all these things, right? That's why I had to stop the whole music thing. But the one I knew, I was going to make money. And I put my Instagram handle. So if you can see on that, you see that here. My Instagram is there. You can follow me. You can listen to more songs. You know, Pure shit. You know what I'm saying? I was making moves, man. So this is another way you can make money from your music, right? You create something that is a movement, is a brand, is a tribe that your fans would like. The vision behind this movement, or the vibe and the tribe here, and the big idea here, was the Lagos takeover. So if somebody sees and like, man, the Lagos takeover, man, this is mad, this is mad. The Lagos takeover. Have something that people can vibe to, can follow along. People like to belong to a movement. People like to belong to a tribe. People like to belong to something, a vision, right? Mine was the Lagos takeover, and I even dropped a song at the time. It was called Updates. The song was like, update, updates. This no be challenge, now the takeover. Do you understand? So people are like, damn, this is not a challenge, we're taking over. That's it. So people bought into the idea, and it was massive, right? So merchandise works. The next thing you can do is events or concerts, right? Now, this is okay. What's happening? All right. So this is a screenshot, or this is a picture of me performing at an event, right? This is me performing. If you look at that shirt I'm wearing, is a merch as well that I made. I wear my own designs. I don't wear designer clothes. I design my own thing. I am my own brand. I wear my own brand. You know what I'm saying? People see it and like, yo, that's Paddy Rams, man. That's Paddy Rams, man. They see me walking, they see me, oh, that's Paddy Rams, man. That's how you build your tribe, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, I'm already talking like a rapper. Sorry, eh. This is another one. I went to perform. Matter of fact, I get paid for my performances. I don't perform for free because I put some value in myself. But it's not compulsory you charge for your performances, man. You can use to build your brand. But then you can tell that I was a badass rapper. I had a stud in my ears, man. Come on. And that's a lady that's excited by my performance. Don't worry, you can still feature me. Oh, I still rap. You can feature me. You just pay me small thing. I understand. It's alright. This is my concert, the takeover concert. Remember I showed you the merch? You see, I'm still putting it on here. I was wearing this stuff, man. Everywhere I went, I was wearing it. I had like a couple of them. I was wearing them. People, yeah, you see me today, Paddy Rams. This is Paddy Rams. You see me tomorrow, Paddy Rams. Man, what's up? You make music? Yeah, I make music, man. Oh man, that's really nice, man. That's it. So when I did this a lot, I hosted my own event in Unilag. Unilag is one of the biggest schools in entertainment in Africa. Take it or leave it, right? I hosted my event. What I did was simple. I got other people who were interested. Yo, man, what's popping? I want to host an event. Yeah, then they say yes. Bring your money because I'm a brand. People know me. So bring your money. Let me put you on the face. And people came in, man. I hosted this shit, and it was freaking amazing. Imagine hosting your own event in Unilag. I headlined this event with my own money. You feel that? You didn't know me before now, possibly. But you're just realizing that I've hosted my own event. These are things you can do. People come into the event, you sell things to them. You create your brand. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's it. That's it. And in fact, this is a picture of an award I won. This was 2017, I guess. Yeah, 2017. You can search for Emperor Awards online. It's one of the biggest awards they give to celebrities. Although it's not as big as the Headies Award, but you can see that's my name on it, Paddy Rams Rookie of the Year, to show you that I was making moves in this industry. If I kept on going, I'd have blown by now. But I had to take care of family business, I had to take care of a lot of things, and I had to really understand this thing, right? So, if I could do it, you can do it as well. Okay. Now this is what features, right? Because I'm a badass rapper, people feature me and they pay me for features. You don't just call me and say, hey guy, man, I like your stuff, man. Make me do some. I bill you straight up. This is what it costs to get me on a collaboration, a feature, man. You gotta pay. If you like it, good. If you don't like it, you move. It's as simple as that. This is business. So even right from time, I've been treating my stuff as business, and people what they pay me for this stuff, man. So you can make money from collaborations and features, right? The next thing you can do is sync license. Now a lot of people don't know this, right? But I talked about Cheryl just now, who they use a song called Merriment too. Sync licensing. If they use your music for movies, you get paid, right? And there are different websites that they can use that you can submit your music to. This information I'm giving is exclusive. I give this information to only people who work with me I'm revealing it to you because you bought this program. Okay, so with sync licensing, you can make money by getting your music, original music. You cannot go and teach somebody beats, teach someone something. No, it's your whole music. They can get into games, into adverts, into commercials. There are websites that help you do this, and then they pay you, right? It's as simple as that. Then YouTube monetization, how to make money with YouTube. Now a lot of people think that the only way for you to make money from music or from YouTube is if you have, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now that's true, but there's another way to make money from music. It's called YouTube Content ID. Okay, so what YouTube Content ID is, if somebody uses your song anywhere on YouTube in videos, right? Even if you are not the one that uploaded it, you make money from anytime those people make money. Let me explain. So for instance, somebody steals your song or something and then they use it on their video. Now they don't need to steal it. Or all these influencers, they are always looking for music to use for their influencer videos, right? And they have millions of followers. All you have to do is sign up with some companies, right? And then they are going to help you put a tracking code on that song. So anytime these influencers use your song, right, to promote their influencer videos, part of that money is going to come to you. Yes. So imagine getting your music on an influencer's channel who has like 1 million subscribers and they are making money from YouTube monetization. As long as your song is there, right? As long as your song is there, you will make money. That's something that a lot of people don't know. It's wisdom I just gave you. Right. So that's why you see some influencers, they're always looking for background music to use, and people are giving them. You don't know why they are giving them. You think they're just giving them for free or giving them sick. Well, now you know. Now you know. Okay. Now the strategies to do this, we teach all of these strategies in our inner circle, right? I don't just give this information to everybody, right? I give it to people who are ready to take their music to the next level. Okay, let's go to number 8 way of making money from your music: social media monetization. Yes, you can monetize your music on Facebook and Instagram. They just released this feature a few years back, so a lot of people still don't know it, right? So you see all those Instagram stories that you do Instagram stories and you be playing music. You can select any music you like for the Instagram story. You can select any music you like and you will be playing it. It's the music will be playing in the background. You sef will now be doing like this. You're happy. As you are doing it, the person that owns the song is making money. And then I've taught these strategies to my musicians that, you know what they do? They will go and do music and then they will play their own song. And then they are vibing to their own song and they are making money. It's crazy, right? And you can see the screenshot in front of you. You can monetize on YouTube. I just talked about that. You can monetize on Facebook. You can monetize on Instagram, right? So these are different ways. Now listen, you don't need to do all 8 ways, right? You don't need all 8. Just pick one of them or 2 of them, and you're going to make your money. If it's streaming, you want to pick streaming. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you artists who are getting 500,000 streams in only 3 days from streaming. 500,000 streams. That's about what? That's like about, is it $2,000 thereabouts? Cash money in 3 days from streaming. So if it's streaming, you just pick. If you are thinking, okay, you don't want to sell your music or you don't want to do performances, if you want to focus on only streaming, I tell you what, I'm going to show you proof. It works, can do it, and it's fantastic. Okay, so let's recap what we've just learned. I've showed you how to create viral videos in 3 simple steps, and I've also showed you the 2 easy ways to find people to buy your music. That's people who already are downloading your music, your fans, and using sponsored promo. Then I just showed you 8 ways to make money from your music as a Nigerian artist, right? So I hope you are really taking notes. Now here's what I want you to do for me before we go to the next section, and that's the last section. What I want you to do for me is this. If you've enjoyed this program at any point, you've learned something, you like what you're learning so far, right? What I want you to do for me is, I want you to send me a testimonial. Say, Paddy, thank you for this training. This is the bomb. That's what I want to hear from you. I want to hear your testimonial. I want to hear your testimonial. If you have learned anything at all that has changed your mind, that's busted your brain, I want to hear your testimonial. Is that okay? Alright, so let's move to the next one. And I'm sure this is why you bought this training. How to get thousands of streams for free without paying for promo. You're like, how? I want to see what this guy is about. Okay, I'm going to show you. All right, so let's dive into it. The secret is playlisting. It's as simple as that. You submit your music to playlists. All right. Now, a playlist is a catalog of music of different songs, right? People usually arrange it by genre. So some people can say, okay, this playlist is for Afrobeat, this playlist is for hip hop, this playlist is for gospel, this playlist is for rock music, right? So all you have to do is, if you get your music into a playlist, those playlists usually have followers, right? So now let's assume that you get your music into one playlist and that playlist has 10,000 followers, right? Now, if those 10,000 people listen to your music once, right? You know how you put on your headset. Maybe you are going to a gym and you put your songs, your gym songs, right? Because you want to work out. You put out all those workout songs and you just keep playing it in the gym, and then you're just gymming. You're like maybe you're there for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. You just put your headset and then those songs are on repeat because you're trying to get the vibe. That's how people do playlisting, right? So if a playlist has 10,000 followers, for instance, those 10,000 people, when they listen to your music once, you are going to get 10,000 streams for free. Now, if they repeat the song 10 times, because people always love playlists, like they always buy into it, right? So they are always like, I like this playlist, I want to listen to this mood. This is my mood. I want to listen to this playlist, and they just keep listening to it, right? So now those 10,000 followers, if they listen to your music 10 times, each of them listen to your music 10 times, how much is that? You're going to get 100,000 streams for free. That's how you get 100,000 streams for free. Now I'm making this part, I'm saying this in and I'm putting emphasis in this because of Ochuko. Ochuko, I have made training video. Now I'm going to give you a little backstory. Ochuko is a very wonderful artist. He's a gospel musician, by the way. He has performed in all these big churches, like all those Living Faith, all those that they are Deboe church. Go online, just search for Ochuko Obuko, right? You're going to see him. He's a very talented artist. He sings, he does live videos as well on Facebook. He does like all these, live praise and worship things, right? Now you're probably wondering, Paddy, what's my business with Ochuko? Ochuko has been bothering me for the past 1 year. Paddy, send me this lecture. I finally done it, Ochuko. I hope you're happy now. This is how you get hundreds of thousands of streams without paying for promotion, right? So just imagine getting your music in 2 playlists, 3 playlists, 4 playlists, and these playlists have 10,000 followers. Your guess how you are going to get thousands of streams, 500,000 streams. And I'm going to show you a celebrity who got his music in front of how many playlists and got 500,000 streams in 3 days. I'm going to show you. But the secret is playlisting. So all you have to do is look for a playlist owner, and that's it. Let's go further. Look at this. If you look at on the left, that's Omah Lay. What have we done? His album. These are the number of playlists he got on, so and he got over 20 million streams on this album. I would have gotten that screenshot. I don't know why I don't put it here. These are the number of playlists he got on. This is Afrobeat workout playlist. This is party after party. This is DJ Spinner playlist. This is Rebecca Jude show. This is today's hits. Summer. Yada yada yada. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you get it, right? So they got his song on this amount of playlists. That's how he got 20 million streams. So if you are wondering, they used to say, Omah Lay just blew up. It didn't just blow up. There was a strategy. He didn't get luck. It's not because his music is so wonderful. They playlisted his stuff. He's doing magic because people are listening to it. All these playlists are saying they have thousands of followers. And so imagine all these people listening to his video over and over. That's how he's doing it. It's simple. This is Tenny Makanaki. If you don't know Tenny Makanaki, I don't know who you know, baby. This is about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 9 playlists. And she's getting these are they're getting their streams. They're not even doing sponsor promo, most of these guys. They just get on playlists and they're making their money. Are you there? Are you there? This is Mr. Real. This is Baba Fela, the remix featuring Laycon and Zlatan. In 3 days, you can see here over what 500,000 streams on how many playlists. He just got on 6 playlists, only 6 playlists, and he got over 500,000 streams in only 3 days. So playlisting is the secret. Playlisting is the future. Playlisting is it, right? So the next question is, how do you get playlisted for free? Because Obviously, these playlists that these celebrities are getting on, most of them you have to pay for them, right? You pay for them. Some charge you about 200k, some charge you 50k, some charge you what. But how do you get playlists for free? That's what you're looking for. Okay. Now, the way to do it is to find curators of the playlist with thousands of followers, right? There's a lot of playlists out there. All you have to do is find the curators of this playlist. That is, when I say curators, these are the owners of the playlist. Find the owners of this playlist that have thousands of followers, probably 10,000 followers and above. Submit your music to them, and that's it. They are going to playlist it for you. Okay. Now you have a secret online tool that we use to find the owners of this playlist. For instance, see all this playlist now. This new music here, me hot tracks featuring Naija hits. We have a secret website that we are using. Is a tool, right? That we are using to find the owners. We'll be able to get the person that owns it, the person's name, person's contact address. I'll be able to submit song to them, contact them and tell them we have the song we want to submit. Then they tell us what's involved and we do it. Okay, okay. Now we also have a contact list of over 4,000 plus contacts, including blogs, magazines, playlist curators, their phone numbers, their email address, their Instagram, their Facebook, that you can contact and submit your music. Now look at this. Baba Fela got on just 6 playlists. He got 500,000 straight in 3 days. We have a contact list of over 4,000 people. Imagine you get on just 10 of these contacts. Just 10 out of this 4,000. It's actually 4,500. But out of this 4,000, imagine that you just get your music into 4 playlists or 10 playlists. Only 10. Only 10. You don't need too much. In fact, only 5. 5 gone. 5. And these guys have thousands of followers. Think about how many streams you get. Think about how much money you're going to make. So all you have to do is just get this contact list and submit your music to them. Do you understand what I'm saying? In fact, look at it. Inside that contact list, there is independent radio stations that you can submit your music to, blogs, reviewers, promoters, international guys that are going to give you visibility and fans, exposure. Then you have Spotify playlists, whether you do pop music, rock music, Christian music, all this gospel music, right? Country, hip hop music, blues, any type of music, Afrobeat. You're going to get their names, their direct contacts. The people that own the playlist, you see their names, email address, contacts, Facebook addresses, website, so you can submit your music to them. In fact, using this same strategy is how I got featured on Genius. If you don't know Genius, go and search online. Genius is an international lyrics-based company. When I did the cover of Fowl's music, I got featured on Genius. Imagine, this is an international shit we're talking here, man. You understand what I'm saying? So the secret is very, very, very simple. You find a curator. That's your work right now. You want to get playlists for free? Go find the curator of a playlist, right? Submit your music to them and watch the magic happens, right? And if you want, you can get our free secret tool. You don't have to pay for this tool once you get it, right? You don't have to pay for it. It's free to use. We're even going to show you how to use it and how to find the owners of this playlist. And you're also going to get our contacts. We give this to record label owners because most times record labels that see the value in all these things, right? Upcoming artists don't really understand the meaning of connection. Plugs. Imagine getting contact list of 4,000 people who own radio stations, right? Inside these 4,000 people, you have people who own blogs, who have Spotify playlists. And I just showed you that you don't even need a lot of playlists. Just get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 playlists and watch the magic happen, just like Baba Fela. It's fire, bro. It's fire, right? And that's how I got featured on this, right? So let's recap the whole entire workshop we've done right now. We've spent some time here, man. So we've looked at the biggest mistakes Nigerian musicians make in the music industry. We've looked at the secret strategies that get us results, how you can use them. We looked at how to go viral. I showed you my $1 per day music marketing plan. I showed you how we run sponsored promotion for music. I also showed you the 8 easy ways to get paid for your music as a Nigerian artist. And last but not least, I showed you how to get thousands of streams for your music without paying for promotion. I showed you all of this, right? So the truth of the matter is, don't overcomplicate things. I have shown you. So what I just gave is the exact marketing strategy that have given us results. I didn't hide anything from you because I'm not interested in you buying anything from me. You've already bought one, right? I just want to give back to the community. I just want to give back to the environment. I just want to give back to musicians, right? I just want to give this knowledge. I'm interested in building a brand for myself, building impact. I love the testimonials I get from musicians, the testimonies, and that's why I do this, right? So what I've given to you is the exact marketing strategy. Just follow. If you have to watch this video again, watch it again and again and again and again. Right? Again and again and again. Watch it. That's it. Watch it. and understand this. So don't complicate these things. I've given you the blueprint, I've given you the secret strategies, I've given you the exact marketing strategies that have given us results. Now the ball is in your court. Okay. Now let me take it a step further. All right. This is the next step for only two people. Only two people. So if you're ready to take your music to the next level, I've given you everything you need, right? But if you need the right guidance, you need somebody to coach you, you need somebody to what guide you, you need a step-by-step guide, you need help, you need our video tutorials, you need our courses, you need help with this music thing, right? You need guidance on how to get thousands of people to see your new music video online. You need help on how to create. You want me to sit down with you online, through a video call and tell you what to do, how to create the viral music video, what to use, how long to make it, the parts of the music that is going to catch people's attention. You need help on that, okay? If you need guidance on that and you want to get our tutorial on how to run sponsor promotion in front of record labels, sponsors, investors on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, you want to be able to get subscribers, you want to be able to get Facebook followers. So instead of begging your friends to like your page, you want to be able to get fans to like your page. And you also need help on how to build your own music payment website. I just showed you artists who are selling their music for 1,500, 200. You want to know how you can build your own music payment website. And you want to get our secret tool for finding these playlist curators. Remember I told you that if this is the only thing you focus on, gone in this year, last song, you are blown. Because you're going to get your streams coming in and your money, right? And you want to get our 4,000 plus contact list of blogs, magazine, playlist curators, or you want to also get playlisted. You want to get on Genius Blog, just like I did. You want to get your music into movies, films, and games so you can get paid, right? And you want to know how to copyright and protect your music so it's not stolen. Then this next step is you. So if you need guidance on all these things I just mentioned now, remember I can do this for only two people. I don't like stress. I cannot work with more than two people, right? I don't have the power. I have my own business I'm doing. So I don't have the strength. I don't have the power. I can only help two people. So if you need help on all these things I just mentioned now, then this next step is for you, right? Now we have a slot open. I mean 2 slots rather. We have 2 slots open for music promotion campaigns, right? And what we're going to do for you is, aside giving you all those things I mentioned now, right? The tutorials, the one-on-one video calls, the coaching and everything. We're also going to help you promote your music, because I don't just want to give you all these things. I just don't want to show you. I want to help you get started, okay? So you're going to get sponsor promotion of your music on Facebook, not Instagram, Facebook, because we want to focus on one platform to up to 50,000 to 100,000 people. And the kind of content we're going to promote is video content. So you give us a freestyle video, I'm going to show you how to create the video, tell you what to do. Then when you finish creating it, we're going to help you get it in front of 50,000 to 100,000 people. Imagine that, right? That's massive. That's massive. I will take it a step further. I will also help you promote your music video on YouTube when you have your music video ready, or if you want to promote your teaser video, no problem. Help you get it promoted to 5,000 to 10,000 people. Imagine that. Imagine how far you will go. People see you on Facebook, that you are getting thousands of engagement, people are liking, people are sharing, and then you're also getting people, people go on YouTube, they see your advert, that you're getting thousands of views. Record labels are like, who is this guy, right? And then what I will do for you as well is I will also playlist your music. I have my own personal playlist. I'm going to playlist your music to up to 5,000 to 10,000 streams, so that as I'm giving you the test, the tutorials, as I'm coaching you, as I'm guiding you, as I'm showing you the secrets, I am also helping you get started. You understand? So the secret ways I'm doing it for you, I'm showing you how to do it as well. 5,000 to 10,000 Spotify streams, right? And also you're going to get SoundCloud promotion to 10,000 plays. Think about this. So we have 2 openings, 2 slots for this right now. So like I said, you're going to get the guidance on how to do all these things, and I'm also going to help you. I'm going to take you a step further. I'm going to help you do all of this. 50,000 to 100,000 people are going to see your new music on Facebook using your own musician page, so you can get the fans. Also, I'm going to promote your music on YouTube to 5,000 to 10,000 views. 10,000 people who have never seen you before are going to see your music video. Think about that. Then I'm going to help you get 5,000 to 10,000 streams on my personal playlist, okay? Then we do SoundCloud promotion. If you're interested in this, the fee is only 250,000 naira, right? Now use the details there. That's my account number. Paddy Ransom, Polaris Bank, 3041 91 92 88, right? Now, if you have any questions you'd like to ask me, I don't want to take this any further. We spent an hour, 20 minutes plus here. You have questions you'd like to ask me, maybe from this training program, or maybe you are interested in doing this. This is my phone number there. That's my WhatsApp, 08028034996. All you have to do is send me a message on WhatsApp or place a call to me, right? Say, Paddy, I'm interested. I want to be among the first 2 people, right? Once we get 2 people, I promise you, we're not taking anybody else. We're not taking anybody else. So if you like this, you think this is a good idea, you want the coaching, you want the tutorials, you want the contact list, you want the guidance, you want all these things, you want to learn how to do this, you want to get on a video call with me and talk with me, discuss all these things, create viral music, then you get my tutorials as well. You get my book. I didn't even list that here. My book on the music business. Also, you also get my personal help in promoting you like this. And you're ready to spend 250k. You're ready to invest the 250k in your music to get the knowledge, to get the wisdom, to get the the marketing secrets, strategies, hack and tactics, and also get me to personally help you. Then send me a DM on WhatsApp or place a call. The fee is 250k. There's no bargain, no negotiation for this. That's how it is, right? And it's for only 2 people, right? Mind you, if you already know by now, you know that I promote myself because obviously you saw this workshop through a Facebook advert. I told you about this and you bought it now. Thousands of people are going to see this, right? And I'm going to do this for only 2 people. All right. So that's it. If you're interested, you know what to do. But either way, whether or not you work with me or not, there's no problem. I just want to say thank you so much, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it for you, right? If you found value in this, you learned something in this, tell your friend about it. Let them go and buy their own. Don't share this video. Let them go and buy their own. And then all the strategies you've learned, go and start implementing them. Go and create a viral video. Go and promote yourself. Go and start putting in the work. That's how you do it. That's how you do it here. Okay? So no need to waste more time. You like this, you want to get this, you want to take your music to the next level, you want me to coach you, to guide you, and you also want me to also help you. The fee is 250k. That's my account details there. Paddy Ransom, don't go and pay more into an person account to Then for question and answers, contact me at the number there. My name is Paddy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you when you see me. Alright, take it easy. I wish you the best in this music thing. Alright, take it easy.